Welcome to one another episode of Electrotech Blog. So today we are going to discuss about some interesting areas of electronics. We all know, right, there are semi-automatic washing machines available before. So there we have to select the water level and we have to close and open the valves manually. We have to control the speed of the motor. We have to do everything manually. Now we will get fully automated washing machines available in the market. So we just need to put the clothes, we just need to select the program, and we just need to set up everything and just click one button to start the washing. So washing machine knows how to take the water inside and when to stop the valve and everything washing machine will do it by itself. And at last it will produce an alarm sound at that time. So we just need to collect the clothes from the washing machine and put it over sunlight or somewhere to get it dried. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about how these automations are happening and how this automation is implementing in the electronics field. So there is one particular area of electronics that is bringing all these automations to our life. That area is known as embedded systems. So today we are going to discuss about embedded systems. Embedded system is a combination of hardware and software designed to perform a particular operation. So let's consider some examples and discuss more about embedded system. So we all know ATM machines. So ATM machine is a perfect example for embedded system. So it is particularly defined to read our ATM cards, check our password and do necessary validation and win money. So there is a particular program which is loaded in the ATM machine which performs this operation. So ATM machine is a hardware and a program or software which is loaded on that hardware to perform the money vending operation. So ATM machine can be considered as an embedded system. As we discussed in the starting of the video, let's take an example of a fully automatic washing machine. How the washing machine came to know the water level has reached its limit, so we have to close the valve and start spinning the motor. There is a program which is running inside the washing machine which controls these hardwares. So there is hardware and a software which controls this operation, and washing machine's program and washing machine's hardware can be used only for washing machine. It cannot be used in a TV. Let's consider a TV. Nowadays in TV also we have scheduled start, scheduled off, scheduled channel, scheduled programming and everything. We can do it in scheduling and everything. So in this TV also we have a program which is running on the hardware that can be used only for TV. From these examples we can have a proper definition of embedded system. There will be a hardware, whether it is TV's hardware or washing machine's hardware or even ATM machine's hardware or even calculator or smart watch or anything. So there will be a hardware and a program which is a software which can be loaded on that hardware and it can perform a particular operation. Okay, so now the definition is clear. A combination of hardware and software which is designed to perform a particular operation. That category of devices came under embedded system. So the core of an embedded system can be considered as a microcontroller or a processor. Let's take the motherboard of a computer. The main things which are coming under motherboard is a processor. It has a RAM, it has a ROM, it has input-output ports, it has communication ports, it has an analog to digital converter, it has a digital to analog converter. So all these things combine together to form our computer or laptop. What if all these components or even a motherboard or a computer is completely integrating to an IC? Then we can call it as microcontroller. So a microcontroller is a small computer. Okay, it has a processor, it has a RAM, it has a ROM, it has input-output ports, it has communication ports, it has everything inbuilt on it. So the major difference of this microcontroller and microprocessor is in processor, we have to provide every peripheral separately. But for a microcontroller, everything is inbuilt or integrated in a single IC. So microcontroller can be defined as a computer on a chip. Now, who can design an embedded system? That is a big question, right? So anyone can design an embedded system. Now there are lots of supporting documents and supports we will get from the online portals and internet and everywhere. Let me explain about an area that you can start with. You can start with Arduino. Arduino is an open source platform that anyone can use. The software is completely free, hardware we can purchase from online portals and all. The main advantage of Arduino is we can do program or we can develop a embedded system without knowing anything about the IC. We just need to understand the Arduino board. I hope now you all have a better understanding about what is embedded system and what is automation and how it can influence in our life. So in the coming episodes, we are going to discuss about how we can do simple automations and we can do small things in our home to do the automation. In the coming episodes, we are going to discuss about this. This is an Arduino Uno board. So please subscribe the channel and click the notification button. Bye bye.